CCBRT hospital in Tanzania. Aisha was born with no legs. Her mother felt very cursed and the unlucky one to have such a child. No children wanted to play with Aisha because she was different. Fortunately, Aisha was unlucky to receive prostheses, so she could play again with other children. But not everybody has this opportunity of receiving prostheses because we know prostheses are expensive and there are no access to for this type of people. Solution to this problem of prosthesis is 3D printed solution. We came up with the idea of 3D printed prosthesis for those who cannot be able to pay for these prostheses. The 3D printed prostheses are easy to manufacture as they take shorter time, small space to manufacture, and they consume less money in manufacturing. So we as CCBRT, we piloted this study in year 2016 through 2017, and we were able to feed 20 amputees with 3D printed prostheses. Our goal did not end there. This time, we're planning to feed 100 of the amputees in the refugee camps, and we're planning to feed more of 34 amputees in the host community. We are a team of high specialized prosthetists, a team of 5 members. And in doing this, we are partnering with some other international organizations in order to implement this project, which is ahead of us. Our future is to expand more to some school children who are living with disabilities. So we welcome stakeholders to partner with us in achieving this in terms of funds, in terms of training, in building more capacity, because this is the new thing in Tanzania right now. Mobility is the right for all, and changing life is automatic, change the community. Let's partner together in achieving this. Thank you.